Hey, so you're working on that research paper, huh? Well, let me tell you, creating and using bibliographies in Google Docs is a game changer. First things first, make sure you have all your sources handy. Websites, books, articles, you name it. Then, go to the Tools menu and click on Explore. Once you're in the Explore tab, type in the name of your source or a keyword related to it. Google Docs will magically find all the relevant information for you. Now, here comes the fun part. Highlight the text you want to include in your bibliography, right-click, and select Cite as Footnote. Boom! Google Docs will automatically generate a citation for you. But wait, there's more. If you want to change the citation style, just go to Tools, click on Preferences, and choose your preferred format. Easy peasy, right? And that's it. You've just created and used a bibliography in Google Docs like a pro. No more manual formatting or searching for sources. It's all right there, at your fingertips. So go ahead, conquer that research paper with the power of Google Docs. Your bibliography game will never be the same again.